Hi Graham. I have been trying with Neuro Self Care in my iPad and found that changing the view of axis, the magnitude and frequency axis on the screen of Neuro Self Care app can make a big difference how we pursue flow and meditation. What I did, I kept off the bar and threshold setting and kept my baseline 20. Then I found that while listening the Zoom meeting, the vertical line moved from left to right as I was getting more in flow with meeting, as if I was moving from my dominant left hemisphere to right hemisphere. I was moving effortlessly to the flow mode below the threshold, although threshold indicator was off. But I could see numbers in magnitude axis. My intention was to keep this undulating vertical line to the right half of the screen. With this vertical undulating line, I found that I could see how my intention worked. I could see how a particular frequency was dominating as well as how it was going to right side. When there was minimal deviation in the alignment of frequencies, I used my intention to make this vertical line a straight line, and it worked nicely and with least effort. In fact, I didn't have to do anything at all. What was required is to immerse in the activity in hand, which was listening, and kept this app in my peripheral vision. I could study my attention and awareness mindfully. Now, with this experiment, it came to my mind that if more focus band users use this app mindfully while having the Zoom meeting, we can collect data to see how mindfulness develops with the use of focus band, which is obvious by shifting the undulating line from left to right. Secondly, over the time period of minimum of 5 sessions, per session having 1 hour, one would become more mindful about their subconscious awareness and attention. This development of awareness would be spontaneous. We could develop our ability to play with our attention and learn more about our awareness and ourselves. It is like singing. One has to sing to become singer. Similarly, one has to practice metta meditation to become a good meditator. Unless we know how meditation works and how attention and awareness works at the time of meditation, it would be difficult to develop meditative awareness throughout the day and night. I would suggest, and I feel, getting help of focus band and learning more in this field will be a first step to develop this metta meditation. Thank you.